shortcuts all the time in your day-to-day life to reach a decision quickly and efficiently.
For example, what's 2 plus 2? You don't have to think about the answer. It's become automatic. When you stop to make a conscious, reasoned decision, things slow down. Often your brain will use comparisons to make a choice.
Pay attention. Here's a decision for you. Imagine you're at a movie theater and you just bought your ticket. Now you head over to the concession stand to buy some popcorn. You can get a small popcorn for $3 or a large for $7. So which one would you choose? We've all been there. You want a decent amount of popcorn, but $7 feels like a ripoff. So if you chose small, you're like most people. We've set up cameras to see what will happen when we offer the same choice to real moviegoers.
Can I get you some popcorn?
Sure, you can get a small.
A small? Sure. Or a large for $7.
I'll take the small.
These are the sizes.
You know what? I'll have a small one and some M&Ms.
Okay, sure.
They have no idea we're running an experiment, and nearly everyone goes for the small.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you, but we're doing a little experiment. Do you think $7 is a lot of money for popcorn?
Yeah.
$7 was a little out of line for a popcorn.
But now, we're gonna see if we can influence your decision making. Here's another decision for you. You can get the small for $3, a medium for $6.50, or you can get the large for $7. So, have you made your choice? Does the large look a bit more appealing now? We've made the same change at the movie theater and stepped back to see what happens. Do you think more people will buy a large?
I'll take a medium-sized popcorn, please.
Sweetie, it's only 50 cents more for large. Why don't we get a large?
Okay, let's get a large.
I think I'll take a large. Sure.
Large, okay.
Definitely
Have a large?
All right.
All we did was add a medium, and the large has become irresistible.
Just a medium popcorn, please.
You can get the large for 50 cents more.
Okay, that'll work.
Everyone is buying a large, so how do they explain it?
The large looks like such a better value than the medium.
Such a bargain. I have for you.
But the deal, you still spent more money in the net total of the night.
50 cents, dude.
But I probably can't eat more than the medium size anyway, but for some reason, just because it cost that, less than 10%, I just felt I needed to. I do think that I got a good deal with this. It was a great feeling, actually.
We've all been upsold at the movie theater, but have you ever stopped to consider what's going on in your brain? To help answer that question, let's play another game. Take a look at these 3 images. Which one is more attractive to you? Now this might seem similar to that game you played before, but what's going on in your brain is completely different. And researchers have observed it so consistently, we can bet 80% of you picked this woman. So how were we able to predict which woman you would choose as more attractive? We took advantage of a loophole in your brain that scientists and marketers are very familiar with. Did you notice that the woman in the middle was actually the same as the one on the right, with some alterations? If you had to pick between these first 2 women, it's a difficult choice. They're relatively similar and both attractive. But by adding this one, we pushed a higher percentage of people to pick her more attractive twin.
Researchers call this asymmetric dominance, also known as the decoy effect.
In our popcorn experiment, the medium was the decoy. When you're faced with a tough decision between 2 very different options, your brain has trouble evaluating which is better. But when one of those is given a frame for comparison, a middle option, it adds information our brain didn't have, and we can make a quick decision. It's called the decoy effect because the medium was never the one we wanted the moviegoers to buy, and we never expected you to pick the girl in the middle. The decoy is there purely to manipulate your decision making.
Think back to your decision. Did the decoy effect work on you? It probably did, and it probably will again. It can affect what you buy, what you like, and even who you date.